we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GoodTop 8-port 2.5G managed Ethernet switch with 10G SFP. Consists of the following features. The switch is equipped with 8x 2.5G Ethernet ports and 1x 10G SFP plus slots. 2.5G ports supports 10, 100, 1000 m, 2.5G adaptive speed and auto MDI. MDIX 10G SFP plus slots supports 10, 100, 1G, 2.5G, 10G speed, and compatible with RJ45 copper module, optical fiber module, DAC and AOC cable. Note, it doesn't support GPON, XGSPON modules. Simplified Smart Web Managed. The switch supports login via web interface and there are some basic features for managing the switch, such as VLAN, 8021Q, VLAN, QoS, IGMP snooping, loop prevention, MAC address, DHCP client, trunk group setting and more. Note, please set IP address via IPv4 first before login this switch. Reset, this version of the switch is a simplified web managed. It only supports web reset. It doesn't have reset button. Link aggregation. The switch supports link aggregation, which it is also called port aggregate setting on web interface. Supports at most 2 groups link aggregation and max 4 ports for each groups. Switch performance. The master chip of switch is equipped with RTL8373N, which is with lower power consumption and less heat generation. The power of the switch is around 12 watt. Power consumption at idle is about 2.2 watt. Working at the range of temperature 0 to about 40 degrees Celsius. There might be a little hot when it is fully loaded. Metal housing and fanless design. With fanless design, the switch can work silently and dissipate heat through vents and metal shell. On the bottom of switch, there are mounting holes so one can use 2 screws to mount the switch to a desk, wall, or elsewhere. This switch comes with 4 non-slip mats which can be stuck at the bottom of switch. Make it stable on desk. Besides, this is a very small footprint switch that can be mounted just about anywhere. Versatile applications. With 8x 2.5G, RJ45 ports, 1x 10G, SFP plus port, this switch can be used in various scenarios, including 2.5, 5, 10G, NAS, network-attached storage, devices, PCIe adapters / NICs, servers, 8K video streaming, router and more. The wide range of compatible equipment makes it an excellent choice for multiple use of home network, business office, server room, school, subway, and so on. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.